Bali, naka-break ngayon ang korte at 7:30 p.m. Manila time, babalik for the submission of kumbaga, evidence ng prosecution na.
Okay. Evidence na.
Evidence.
Kasi I keep
Summary.
forgetting doon is daytime, no? Daytime doon. So tuloy-tuloy yan hanggang mamayang gabi. So marathon.
Yeah, oo.
Marathon yung manonood.
How long will Pinky be there for?
Because
Until
this will
Friday.
go on until the 27th.
Ito na, I'm
Friday,
back.
yes.
Ayan, she's back. And yung tanong namin, exciting ba? Ang
Pasensya na.
nararamdaman ba dyan? Yung excitement sa mangyayari?
Well, of course, Corina, syempre first day pa lang ito, no, sa dami din ng media na nagko-cover, na narito ngayon. Very important also marinig yung opening statements ng prosecution, ng CLRV at gayon din ng defense. Actually, Corina, kakaakyat lang ni Kevin dito kung nasaan ako at sabi niya natapos na rin ang opening statement ng CLRV at gayon din si lead counsel for the defense, Attorney Nicholas Kaufman. So yan ay magbibigay pa tayo ng karagdagang detalye maya-maya lamang. 4 days of hearing ito, Corina, no? Let's just reiterate. This will be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, magkakaroon ng break, Thursday and Friday from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. local time.
So tama ba, Pinky, na magkakaroon na ng paglalabas ng ebidensya within today?
Mamayang hapon, so actually right now, Corina, we are going to be on a 90-minute break. Pagkatapos nito, there will be the third session for the day. Kumbaga, may 3 sessions kasi per day. Yung third session, mamaya, after the 90-minute break, will be the prosecution submission of merits. Yan ang magaganap mamayang 2 to 3 p.m. local time.
Ayan,
Pinky,
okay. May tanong si Willard.
Oh, Pinky, wala kang nakitang mga kamag-anak ng mga Duterte?
Wala pa, Willard eh. Mamaya siguro pag makausap ko na yung ilang mga Filipino representatives na narito ngayon, sina Attorney Salvador Panelo, tatanungin ko sila kung nandito nga yung pamilya kasi wala pa rin talaga akong confirmation if the family is here right now.
Oo.
Ayan, okay. Well, I guess justice is moving forward. And, ayan, share with Pinky ito. Kahit nasa malayo siya.
Good news, Pinks.
At least magandang balita,
Ano yun?
Ito na, ayan,
Ayan.
Mas bagay sa suot mo.
May dadatnang kang award pag uwi mo dito.
Meron tayong award sa agenda.
Maraming salamat sa Philippine
Ay,
Arts,
congratulations.
Film and Television Inc. or PAFTA para sa parangal na ito
Ayan.
for excellence in business news. Yan, para sa agenda.
Congratulations,
Thank
Culinary
you.
News Channel.
Thank you.
Congratulations sa ating lahat.
And congratulations, ang ganda ng OBB natin.
Grabe,
Station
ay,
ID pala, station ID.
advanced tayo. We're using modern technology,
Oo.
AI. We're very advanced.
Correct, correct. Sabi nga nila parang OBB ng isang Korean novela.
Oh,
Diba?
parang season 2 na, no?
Hinahangin-hangin pa yung
Oo.
buhok ni Pinky doon.
Sino kaya
Galing.
kontrabida doon?
Ayun, yung nakasakay sa kotse. Si Mike Toledo.
Si Attorney Mike.
Mukha siyang mafia boss doon.
Na
Ayan.
parang may iutos no?
Thank you very much to the group and to the management of Culinary News Channel for that beautiful station ID. At maraming salamat po sa PAFTA
Ayan, maraming
para
salamat
sa
po.
parangal. Ayan.